All right, Daniel Boone families, Coach Millard here. Uh, I recently just posted a workout for each day of of this month. So this is April. I'm going to try my best to always do one of these a day. If I do miss one, does not mean that you shouldn't, because it's a good way to at least get some exercise in and try to keep ourselves healthy. All right, so I'm going to show you, and you should see this on the Daniel Boone PE Facebook page. I'm going to be posting it on there, and then you still get like your weekly assignment from your teachers. But this is what it is. As you can see, some of it's going to be cut off on the bottom, but the first day, Wednesday, April 1st, hold a push-up position while saying the months of the year 3 times. So you should see this on the Facebook page. A lot of it has to do something with family or competitions amongst yourself, but it is a good way just to get a few minutes of exercising in and try to get ourselves stronger. Okay, so I'm going to do this one with you. Holding a push-up is going to be working on our upper body strength as well as our core, holding that position. Remember, we want to keep our backs flat. We do not want to be like a pyramid or bring our sink our bodies. Okay, so we want to try to keep straight. We're going to do 3 sets. Now it says 3 altogether, but I'm going to break it down. We're going to count out, then we're going to take a few second break, and then we are going to do the next one, and then we'll finish up at the third one. So I'm going to set myself down here. All right, turn music on because I need to work out music. So here we go. This is just going to be a plank, and you're going to hold your push-up. You're not doing a push-up. You're just going to hold. So here we go. You ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay? So it's a grow. If you did not make it the whole time, that's okay. Get yourself back up and complete it, all right? You'll gradually get stronger as you go. So we're taking a few seconds here. Okay, then we're going to complete our next one. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. Ready and go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And rest. When you're doing this, you should feel your abs. Holding your abs together, keep them tight. All right? Make sure your back is straight. You'll be working on these, your biceps, your triceps, working on that shoulder as well. All right, last one, and we're done with our first day. Here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All right. Day 1 done in April, guys. Always remember, be great. Make today great, guys. I miss you. Peace.